So selling more landscaping work, a key piece of doing that is being able to estimate quickly. If you're looking at this stuff behind me and say you had to remove this whole edge of this building, being able to produce those numbers in a timely manner, first go out and meet a client, listen to all of their needs, try to really understand what the problem it is that they're trying to fix is, and from there decipher the best approach, the best piece, what we can do, talk through that with them, then being able to put that together quickly. That is a huge key. Today I went out and estimated. I knew it looked good because it had landscape lighting, it had softscaping, it had some cleanup, and it just looked like one of those estimates where you could put it together quickly and the homeowner would probably say yes and move forward. Because I was able to put this together, because I was able to give the information right then and there so we could have the conversation and even make some small adjustments, I was able to sign on that project, that estimate for $12,000 on site. It was efficient for the homeowner. It was efficient for us to be able to get it scheduled and continue to book out. And all of this is possible, really, I should say, not capable. All this is possible because we have numbers and estimating systems in place. Now, you don't need anything special to do this. You can have an Excel sheet with all of your prices, and you can just break down the math of what this looks like. It's gonna, we can trim about 1,500 square foot of shrubs an hour. We can prep this much bed in a quarter of an hour. And then you create all these numbers to multiply your biggest variable off, which is your labor, right? Your man hours to do whatever the task is, to prep, to clean up, to install rock, to do whatever it is. So as you break these things down, and then you also start to create an index and a list and a product list of materials, you can very, very quickly punch all of this together, say, oh, I've got to edge 100 feet. I've got to prep 2,000 square feet. I've got to install so much rock. You can very easily put this together in a very, very short time span with the right tools and the right estimating tool, knowing your numbers, having that all in place. So knowing your numbers means so much for running a business effectively, but it also means so much for being able to do an estimate. I understand my numbers well enough. And this started off version 1 for me was just knowing my numbers to where I knew them by heart and I could just write them on a piece of paper, and this much per yard of rock installed, this much for bed prep, this much for each plant installed, on down the line. And then that became templates on an Excel sheet. Then that became templates in Service Autopilot or Element or whatever other tools you would use for this. That's what allows you to put things together quickly. That's also what allows others to kind of replicate and start thinking about things the way you think about them. And even for me, but this is a tool that just helps me put this together. This doesn't mean it's exact and final. I still have to use my own thought process and verify, is that going to work? Is that enough time? I have to use my knowledge and my experience from there. So this tool is a great way for you to be able to estimate quick. And when you understand that someone's wanting to do something, they're wanting to get moving, and you show someone the price, they like, that sounds great. When can you schedule this? How far out are you? It's a perfect opportunity to then be able to say, well, we're about a couple weeks out. If you'd like us to get you booked, we can take a deposit right now, and then you can get the thing on the road and make sure you're moving in the right direction. I hope this has helped you get some ideas of why estimating quickly is so important. You want to try to give the homeowner everything they need, so ideally they can sign on the project today. It's good for all parties. They don't have to keep hunting. You get to be able to continue to fill your schedule and then keep servicing more and more people, and do that where it's not just chewing up time. Because if you don't estimate it on site, and you got to go back and put everything together, that time from when you did this and maybe looked at 5 other things and then had to go back there and try to remember what you're estimating, it just adds more and more time to the process because you keep chopping it up and you're not batching everything together. Go out there, put some tools together so you can estimate quickly and go win some work.